I saw people wondering what to do and asking questions of what to do with their health. That is why in my 12 years experience, I will tell you the reasons why that happens. That is why I created a map and I called it Dr. Lajot Wellness Map. In this nutritional medicine series, I'll be telling you reasons or nutritional reasons why there are factors that we missed. Now, here's the key point here. We eat foods, and every food we eat, there are nutrients, and there are 6 nutrients in every food that we eat. And we know, according to National Nutrition Council, that nutrients, okay, are chemicals found in the food we eat. Nutrients that can provide energy, provide growth, and maintain life. Like for example, in the 6 nutrients that we need, there are 3 nutrients that can only produce what or has calories. Okay, I will show you today, but please click subscribe and notify, and click the button so that you can hear and get my informations that I put in this YouTube. Okay, are you ready? Okay, this is Dr. Dorwin your nutritional medicine specialist. Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. We are eating food, but we are also getting protein, carbohydrates, and fats. These are very important. Like protein, like carbohydrates, and fats. And every protein and carbohydrates and fats, it has equivalent of calories. And I show here, okay, according to the standard, that protein per gram has 4 calories. Carbohydrates per gram has 4 calories. And you can find here a reason why we are limiting fats, because per gram in fats, we are getting 9 calories. Meaning, we are getting calories. Calories is the oxidation effect or results. Like for example, if we're eating protein, carbohydrates, and fats, then the oxidation of that is calories. Calories is the unit we get from the food. And calories, okay, is the energy. Meaning, here's a clue that we need to use these calories, because either this will give us good or bad. Meaning, if we will not use these calories or this energy, then we can accumulate fats. And these are the major reasons why people are getting heart disease, hypertension, and diabetes. So in this presentation, maybe this will give you knowledge that you will now limit your food intake and have a balanced diet. Why? Because we need calories or we need food, but we are limiting calories from 2,000 to 2,500 calories. Now, calories that are not used is because of these reasons. Number 1 is what? Water. Okay? People seldom drink water. People can only drink water every time they eat. People will only drink water because they are thirsty. People are they limit drinking water. And sometimes they don't drink water. Okay? That is because of some factors. Okay? But let me give you that every 1 calories needs 1 ml of water. Meaning, if you have 2,000 calories, you need to drink 2,000 calories. Okay? Sounds familiar? So if you are just drinking 1,000, meaning there are accumulations, okay, that will take place because we limit water. Again, if we will not drink water, there is a possibility that we cannot use all the calories. Okay, because calories is what? Giving us heat. And when there is heat, then the body needs more water. If we have only few water or limited water, then we cannot compensate the demand of the temperature. Another reason is what? Exercise. Okay? Why we need to exercise? This will help what? The accumulations of fats or the unused of calories is fats, right? So to help burn or use these calories is to exercise. Because even if we don't exercise, we are using calories based on our activities. That is why we are adding this exercise, because we are now in the modern technology. Okay, not like before that most people are eating more carbohydrates and protein because they are in the what? In the heavy activity, like they are working in the farm, they are working in immense work, like before they are in the logs, working in logs and cutting trees and etc. But today in this modern technology, we're using cell phones and the meeting is already online, and from 8 to 5 we are always sitting. Most people are already in that what criteria. That is why we need to exercise, because exercise can help burn the unused fats and the calories. Like for example, based on this map, per 100 we can burn this 100 calories if we exercise in 10 minutes. Okay, in natural or normal exercise, we can burn 100 calories. That is why if we exercise for 20, 30 minutes or 1 hour, then we are burning 600 calories. Okay, that if we only eat 600 what calories, or we have 600 calories. But how about those people more than 1000 or more than 2000? Okay, how can we get this 600 or more than 2000? Because each food has calories, right? Like for example, a dried or fried fish, okay, or meat. Okay, the meat or the fish has their calories what limit or unit. But if we fried it using oil, then that will give us another what unit of calories. Okay, so if we add honey and sugar in it, then this is another calories. That's why per meal sometimes per bayan or fish with oil and sugar and etc. That's already 1000 in one setting. Okay, can you imagine that? So if we are not exercising and we are not drinking water, then we can now see and imagine that we are what? We are making our blood sticky, and we are building, or we can build fats into our system, into our liver, in the artery, and our blood will become sticky. Okay, here's number 3, the fiber. Right, fiber is very important, and this is the most neglected. Okay, why I said neglected? Because in the top 10 cause of death, colon, and colon is what? A sign of people are eating less fiber. And based on the National Nutrition Council guide, that since 1978 and even until now, only few people are eating vegetables and fruits daily. That is why I have this courage to give you these three reasons, okay, to have fiber. Because per 1000 calories, we need 14 to 20 grams of fiber. That is based on the standard. So if you are not and neglecting eating fiber, I suggest and I recommend getting and taking enough fiber. If you have any concerns, like for example because of work, because of your kind or nature of work that you cannot get enough fiber, then you need to choose and supplement fiber that is easy and convenient. That's why myself, I am taking supplementation of fiber. Okay. Now, another thing is what you can see here, that this map, you can see that there is unused fats. If we have what neglect, or we will neglect these three: the fiber, okay, the exercise, and the water. We need to limit calories through this. We don't need to limit calories by taking or eating, because here's another reasons. Okay, most people relies more on eating, but without considering this malabsorption. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, that the reasons why there is malnutrition and deficiency is because of the malabsorption. Okay, the absorption problem. We eat, but the body cannot what absorb because of this fiber. We cannot absorb because of what? Lack of water. We cannot absorb because there is no movement in our body. That is why we have this problem. So I have the courage to show you, to give you awareness. And lastly is because of this one, vitamins and minerals. Of the 6 nutrients that we need, okay, and very essential, we need what? Water. These vitamins and minerals have no calories, right? Water has no calories, okay? But we need to drink water. If we are taking vitamins and water, we need to have water. We need to have exercise. We need to have fiber, because fiber is a nutrient or a food that will help remove the excess waste out from our body. So I am what? Giving you this knowledge to decide, for you to decide, for you to take the first step and to start a new norm with this. Because we need to decide to be healthy today because of this new norm. This new norm means new life, new decision, new life ahead. But if we decide to be healthy, we need to understand this carefully. We need to make a decision, not just for our own self, but yourself and myself have many contacts. What I mean is, if you are not healthy, your family, your friends, or your work will be affected. So I'm giving you this information because I'm not only helping you, but helping your friends, your work, and your family. So Alhamdulillah, and all glory to Allah.